Gas filled up and ready to go again. Alright, we're trying to bring down the biggest limb and we're trying to cut from the root of this tree. Let's see how successful the driver is. We've been at it for a while. And I'm a bus sweat now. Wet. And we can't go too close because we don't know which direction this is going to fall in. See? Okay, tree move. Okay. It is coming down. Wait for it. Wait for it. You're not so strong at all. Ooh, ooh. Alright, you need some more weight. Hey! Good job. I'm thinking you need my weight to help me now, but it was fine. But I may tell you, the driver must sweat you the things that Hurricane Melissa wet him up yesterday. You done? Oh, you have to cut up this? Oh, it have wire up on there. Alright, so trying to get the wire, a piece of wire off the tree. You can put the power saw blade on that. So we're trying to get that wire off. Alright, one part down. The wire they look like one monster like Melissa. All right. Good job. Good job.